Dry Climate Gardening, Growing Beautiful, Sustainable Gardens in Low Water Conditions by Noelle Johnson. This book provides detailed advice on gardening in arid terrain where precipitation is limited to less than a dozen inches a year, almost all of it in the 2 or 3 winter months. Much of the western United States meets that description. Getting by without rain is accomplished by selecting drought-tolerant plants, utilizing conservation techniques that minimize water need, and forestall the need for hoses and sprinklers. Rainwater harvesting captures the precipitation that falls on roofs, collects in gutters, and flows through downspouts into rain barrels. Recycled gray water from sinks, showers, and washing machines can be used to water ornamental plants and fruit trees. Noelle Johnson, the author, introduces a low-cost portable drip irrigation method using a repurposed 1-gallon plastic jug. Poke 5 holes in the bottom with a nail, fill with water from the hose, place next to the plant you want to be watered. The water will slowly drip out, giving your plant the water it needs. This volume does not only address low water gardening in detail, but also provides a useful primer for novice gardeners and everything from soil types and pruning tools to water saving practices and pest control.